Hello and welcome to a new episode of this van build series here on my channel. Me and my sister Alma are gonna convert this car into our home on wheels. But actually Alma is in Indonesia, so it's only gonna be me converting the van, but it's fine. This conversion is definitely gonna be a learning curve for me since I don't have any previous experience. So I am really not a handyman. Can I have it in reverse? First injury of the build. Ow! But it's gonna be fun and I'm excited and I hope you are too to follow along on this journey. So please hit the subscribe button and let's get on with this episode. Hello and welcome to a new vlog. It's Monday and it's already, let's see, it's already 12:30. I had a slow morning today where I have done stuff. I'm just very stupid. So I forgot the key, so I had to go back and forth. And I also bought a few things, left my car for wash. Yeah, I've had a hectic morning. And now I'm out here in the car and it's time to continue with this van conversion. The plan today is to get rid of all the rust. So I brought everything I need, hopefully, to get rid of it. So let's start. Okay, so right now I only have like the small parts left, like the rust. It has like bumps in it, kind of, and I need to get into that somehow. So I bought things like this. So I will try to go over all of the parts again and use this so I can get more into the rust and the little bumps. So hopefully it will work. Let's see. Since I had an accident yesterday, I am gonna be more careful today, so let's put on some gloves. First I go with this, and then also this. So I will be as careful as I can. Shoof. I need a battery for this. Yay! So I will just work with this, I think. So let's try. If this will help. Okay, so I tried to get into this really bad part and I got these off, but it's really bad all the way here. So I will try . I have polished all of the rust areas now, and it's only the big one left and the bad one over there. But I was thinking I would go over with a rug again to wash it all off, and then I can start using the rust eater. don't know what to do. I'm waiting for the grinder to charge up because I can't reach anything over there, so I'm just doing like shit work right now. Because I don't think it's good to apply the rust eater if there's gonna be rust from the machine on it, so I will have to do all of it first and then I'm on my way to pick up my first package ever for the van. It's the roof sunroof. So I'm going to pick it up now. Here it is, the first package. It's quite big. You. Hello. I just think that I deleted all of my previous footage. I'm so stupid. Because I couldn't film anything more, and it said something like format the card, and I was like, yeah, okay. Because last time I did that, the footage didn't disappear, but now I deleted all of my footage for like 2 days. I'm so sad right now because I spent a lot of time filming it. I'm so fucking stupid. I'm so stupid. But okay, let's start over. So it is Thursday today, and I am right now painting over the rust eater that I did on everything. So I went over everything with the grinder, then I applied the rust eater, which is in this little jar, and it turned like this. I applied it 2 times, and now it's been sitting for more than 1 day, so now I'm gonna paint it over with some white color. It's supposed to be like good for the rust, so if I put this on, nothing will get to the rust, which is really nice. So that is what I'm doing now. It looks pretty weird. It looks like it's something wrong because it's like, it looks like an orange, that's what my dad said. And it looks like it's not sticking to the surface, but apparently it's supposed to be like that, at least that's what my brother says. So I will continue and I hope it sticks. But this sucks so much. Oh, I spent so much time doing the grinding and the painting and everything, and now you won't see anything of it. I'm really so sad. I'm so stupid. But let's continue with this vlog wherever I left it from before. It's Thursday. I went from work to here. It's 5 in the afternoon, and yeah, let's fucking do this. Also, so there's a lot of shit coming in. Ah! But then I actually think I'm gonna do a recap because I don't wanna this information to get lost. So I sanded or grinded all of these parts out. It took like 1 day probably. Like I was really particular, or not particular, like what do you say? Very careful, accurate. I was very careful and accurate, so it took like some time. I also had to buy like all of these different like grinders because I couldn't reach, and I found more rust in the back, and then I tried to reach this one, the big one on the wheelhouse, and it was impossible, so I went to Big Tema to buy new ones. I could get into the wheelhouse like a little bit, but not all of it. So then I put the rust eater on, and I hope that it's gonna make it not rust anymore. I'm not sure if it will, but I really hope so, because I cannot reach more into it because it's like in a... I will show you. This was the worst part before. You can even see that it's like coming down a little bit, but now it's painted over, so hopefully it will stick. And yeah, I went it over 2 times. When I painted it, I didn't see at first that it couldn't be under 5 degrees, and it was like 9 degrees when I started painting. So hopefully the rust area is also like well done. But I went over 2 times and now it's been resting for 1.5 days. Also, I bought new pants, and you didn't see that either. I went to Biltema and I bought new pants because I'm gonna be working a lot here and I don't want to ruin my other pants. Is there some way you can get this back? I just want to go to bed. But let's finish this, I guess. Okay, everything is painted and yeah. I mean, it doesn't look super nice, but it looks nicer. Nothing of this is gonna show anyway later because I'm gonna insulate and put flooring and yes, walls everywhere, so you're not gonna see it. So it feels nice that it's protected now from the rust. That was the most important thing. Now this is gonna sit for I think 12 hours at least, or 24. But I don't think I will go over with another coat because I used like almost a whole jar. So if I'm gonna go over it again, I need to buy a new jar. I'm not sure that I will do that. Maybe I will think about it. But yeah, it's getting dark as you can see, and it's getting cold. So I was thinking to go home. I'm just gonna clean up here and then I will go home. So yeah, this is how it looks now. Okay, so I am gonna call my sister. She's in Indonesia and we're gonna talk about the floor plan. Maybe I can show you the different options actually. I'm sitting in my bed because it's so cold. I want to heat up. But, okay, let's see. So I have used IKEA's kitchen planning tool to design the floor plans and it works really well. Okay, so I started with one solution, which was the one that I really liked, the one that I was thinking to do, because I was like, oh, I found the perfect one, and then I just, let's go with that without even exploring other ones, which I realized later was pretty stupid. So I will show you the first one that I have. So this was the first alternative that I had. This is the bed, as you can see, and it's the same on every, and then I just moved around the kitchen. But in this, I decided to have the kitchen like all along the left wall of the car, which I think is nice, but that didn't leave a lot of space for sitting areas. This was the one that I came up with, and it's pretty small, and like there's no space in between here, and I mean it covers a little bit of the entrance, so I didn't like that too much. I do like that there is like a separator here. I think that's really nice. And I also like that there is a lot of cabinets on top. And also I will have some storage here. And I will also have some storage here. Some drawers that will, or not drawers, but some cabinets here also. But they will go into the wall, so they will not come out from the wall. So this was option number 1, and I was pretty happy with it, just that it's like a little bit too small here for sitting. So then we started doing a little bit other. I was trying this one, which is the solution that many people do, and it is a good solution. Also here you have like the kitchen in one. You cannot fit the same amount of drawers on this one, because on the last one I could fit 360 cabinets. On this one I cannot, because the car is only 175 broad or something like that, 170. So there's a little bit less of these cabinets. The bed is the same. The seating is on this side and you can drag out a table, which is really nice. There is bigger seats and there's more space in between, which is really nice. There are not as many cabinets, but maybe it will be enough, because I don't know how much storage you need, because there's storage here, there's storage there, and there's storage here. But maybe a few more cabinets would be nice. There is also going to be a window here, I haven't put it there. So this was option number 2, and I just played around with the colors for the kitchen just to see how it looks. This is not the final result. And this is the same one from top. But there is not more extra space here, so we continued drawing other ones. We looked at like some inspiration on Instagram, what other people have done. So we tried this solution where they split the kitchen. Let's see, let's go around to the opening. Often they do the kitchen on this side, and then there's a little sitting place here. This solution is very, what do you say, it's very narrow. It feels very like there's not a lot of space to walk in. The seating is very narrow and it just feels a little bit too much, everything. So this was not the best solution. So we did another one. Tried the same, like splitting the kitchen, but in another way. The same here, we put the kitchen like close to the opening. Here is a pretty good solution because you have the kitchen here. You can add an extra table here. You have a big seating area and you have cabinets, but it's still pretty narrow to walk in, and it feels a little bit like it's not so open here in the front. So we tried even more. Let's see, option number 5, and I think this is the solution that I like the most. Here the kitchen is still splitted and we have the seating area, but it feels more open because this is not as high and like it feels better with the space, I would say so. Here you can add a table over here so you can cook with all the 3. You can also put up a table here so you can have a lot of space cooking. But at the same time, someone can sit here and we will have like a table that falls down, that you put down there. And you can also turn this into a bed, actually, if you like put a plank here. And there is a lot of overhead cabinets, but it doesn't make it like super tight. And I also put in a divider here because if you will do the cooking, it will splash onto the bed and that's not nice. So I think a divider there would be nice. So it's either this or that I just shift this around. So here is the sink is over here and the stove gonna be over here. I haven't decided yet how to do it, but I'm gonna call my sister now. So we're gonna talk about it together. And I hope she likes my options because I didn't put too much time into it. I mean, it took maybe 3-4 hours to make all of these, but I'm super happy because it's so much easier when you see the layout, and I love IKEA. I love you. Please sponsor me. But this is so nice, actually. Okay, so let's call my sister. Let's see. She's not available. Okay. Hello. What are you doing?
Hi.
How are you? Good.
Good.
How is Indonesia?
Good. Pretty sweet life.
Pretty sweet life. Looks very nice. So
how's the van life going?
it's going pretty good. It's going slow, but that was expected. But I'm gonna show you some floor plans. That's my plan.
Okay.
So here we discussed the different floor plans, and after some convincing and thinking, we decided to go with the last one that I showed you. And after this I had to hurry to work, so this is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe if you like this van conversion and give me a thumbs up. That would be really nice. Have a nice week, and I see you in the next van conversion vlog.